Oh, hello everyone. Okay, so welcome to another Akada training, and today we are going to learn about Trello and how we use Trello for this our project. So right now I'm at the if you have logged into Trello with your username and your password, so then you go to Akada content. That is where our own our own dashboard is. So let's click that and then let's go. So while we wait for that to load, so we are here. So this is what your this is what the workspace will look like, and you can see Akada content here, the board here, and the rest. But let's get to the main thing. So this is where you have the cards, right? And these are different columns. So you can see initial, that is where you have the primary content of the subject and the class. You can see here agricultural science primary 2, science primary 3, and so on and so forth. Here word content, and here scheme of work for those that are looking for scheme of work and how they come in the term or in the session. So question and answer for those that are looking for questions and answers for each topic and thereabouts. So let's move a little bit forward. And so here we have finalized video. That's after you have worked with your PowerPoint. Thereabout. This is okay. If you do then PowerPoint, then this is where your PowerPoint. Yes, so we've done that. So now it's at position 6. All right, so we should come further. Sorry for that. So let's go. All right. Oh, I moved the wrong thing. Sorry. Let's move that. List to position 6. Oh, it was even at position 6 before. 6. All right, move. Yes. So this is where it's supposed to be. So the PowerPoint is supposed to come here. This is where your PowerPoint files are here, and then this where after you've converted to video and put and you've added your voiceover, this is where they come. Okay, so let's move ahead, and of course this is templates for specific. Yes, this way you can get some templates that have been put here. All right, now some because in Akada files that are more than 10 MB cannot be uploaded, so we have also made room for that. You can go to you can send the files to our Gmail using Google Drive, of course, with akadaonline.com. all right, so yes, animated video, and this is for those that are using video scribe like mathematics and any other person that is using video scribe. So, and this is for completed projects. But anyway, let's go and see the navigation now. So all right, so I think this is your first time using our own Trello workspace. So let's assume now that I want to work on agricultural science primary 2. I've just been brought in, and that is the subject and the class that I'm working on. So what I will do is I will left click this. So when you left click this, of course it's going to open. And here you can see different things. Here you see the attachment. Now this attachment is the content for agric science 2, for agric science for primary 2. And then of course if you now want to, you have to download it to check what's inside there. And also this attachment too. If you want to attach a file or add a file to the card, you just press attachment, and then you go to computer, and of course then your computer will open up. You cannot decide what you want to add to the files. All right, so since we're not doing anything like that, let me go out from there. So now while you are here, you download the content. Now if you go through the content and you are okay with what's inside and it's okay for you, so you now move it from initial. Now this is like an assembly line. What I mean by assembly line is like when you go to factories like maybe Coca-Cola or any manufacturing factory, you see where things move from one side of the assembly line to the other. For example, you have the bottle of Coke, and then empty bottle. By the time it moves to the next line, that's where they put the Coke content. By the time it moves to the next line, they put the Crown Coke on it. By the time it moves to the next line, maybe they put inside the crate or something. So it's just moving from one place to another. The same bottle, the empty bottle that started, by the time you get to the end, it's already a finished product. So this is how we're doing it here. So here from initial, if you have looked at your if you have opened it and downloaded the file, and then you now want to begin working on it, now you now drag it. Of course, you press down, you left click, but press it down. All right, you hold it and then it will move and then you take it to Word content. Now when something is in Word content, it signifies that you are working on this particular document. It means that someone is working on it, so nobody should touch it except that person that is working on it. So now you're working on so it means that, so while it's here, that is when you're looking through the content. All right, looking through the content and seeing that okay, everything is okay, it's fine, you can do any editing you want to do. And of course, if you find out that it's not what you want, that you have more things you want to add, you can also go in there and then make the changes after you downloaded the file, and then looked at it and made the changes, maybe added some things or whatever. Of course, you can now resave the file in a different name, of course, and then you upload by just like that, attachment, by computer. And then of course this content, you now select the file and so on and so forth. So having done that, now let's assume that you are done with the content here. You have looked through and you see it's okay. So then you now go to making your PowerPoint slide of presentation. So when you do that, you drag the card again when you're ready to make your PowerPoint thing, and you put it there. All right. Yeah. So it means that this person is ready to start working on the PowerPoint. And so you start working on your PowerPoint. When you work on your PowerPoint presentation or your PowerPoint, your PowerPoint template or whatever it is, when you are done with that, you will upload it here. You can see that it's no longer in Word content. Initial, it has been moved to PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, when you've done it, you attach the file. That's if it's small enough to enter. If it's not, you direct it to you send it to our email. All right. So I think yes, that's about it. So you upload whatever it is you want to upload, and it will appear here. So now, depending on how you want to move, if you have uploaded all your this is it here. If you have uploaded all your PowerPoint, or even if it's just one, you now want to convert to video, export to video from it, and so you drag it to finalize video, and so you drag it there. So when it is here, that's when you start uploading your videos. All right. So meaning that everything that is here means that videos will start being uploaded there. All right. Even if it's just one PowerPoint you have and you want to work on the video, when you make the video, you just drag it here, and that's it there. So it means that when you open this, you will see both PowerPoint files and video files. All right. That's how it goes. You cannot open this and you only see video files. No, you must have gone through the PowerPoint stage first, because from the PowerPoint that you convert to video, and then you find it here. Okay, to finalize video, and that's it. So that's just basically how you move. Now you're not supposed to create any card, and just pick whatever content you find and then move it along to where it's supposed to get to. Let's see what else again. It's here, template. Yes, so of course animated video, then complete project. Once you have completed everything, done done everything, for this class for primary 2 agricultural science, you drag it and then take it to completed project, and then you fix it there, and that is it about that. So let's go back to the original position, since I'm only working on this right now. All right, so that's just a general overview of how our Trello our Trello workspace works. So I believe that is all that you need to know for now. If there's any other thing, you can also ask me. You can send me a message via WhatsApp or any other social media or text about. So that's it for the lesson, and over and out. So until our next lesson. All right, thank you very much for listening.